Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to add transition in Filmora 12. If you want to add cool transitions to your video and make your videos more interesting and engaging, Filmora 12 offers a variety of transitions. Hundreds and thousands of free and paid transitions are available in this software. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. After adding your videos to the timeline, click on Transitions. Here you can see many options for transition. I recommend you to check each transition. You can double-click on any transition to check it's good or not. After selecting your transition, drag it on the center of clips. Congratulations, now you have added the transition. Let's check our transition. So these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.